Hi everyone, happy Friday. It's Friday, May 8th, 2020. Happy, yay, the end of another online learning week. It was a great week. And we have our Zoom meeting at 10:30 today to kind of finish out our week, which is going to be great. We're going to share our special project that we've been working on. Everyone gets to read what they wrote, and they can show off their pictures and all, like they can flip their book. So please make sure that you bring your special project, wink, wink, you know what I'm talking about, because I spoke to you all in the Zoom meetings, to our group meeting. So 10:30, the grade 4 page has the link on it. It's pinned to the top. We have a lot of shout outs today. So Lucas Neto sent me a message saying he was on Get Epic for 30 minutes yesterday. Great job, Lucas. And IXL, collectively as a class, you worked for 22 hours yesterday. So if you would divide that up by 24 kids, it'd be a little less, than an hour per child, but it doesn't quite work like that because not everyone did that much. And some people did much more. So today I'm going to tell you, we have probably a dozen kids that we're going to highlight and the number of questions that they answered. And at the end, I'll tell you who ended up with the most questions answered. Ali had 219 questions. Matthew answered 110 questions. Megan answered 115 questions. Amelia, 109 questions. Christian, 104 questions. Charlie, 241 questions. Lorenzo, 242 questions. Luca, 126 questions. Ion, 135 questions. Owen, 143 questions. And Youssef, 100 questions. Great job, everyone. And our big, worker yesterday was Ariana with 305 questions. So awesome job, Ariana. I did want to tell you, I did send individual messages out to some kids because I can see how many questions you answered and how much time you've spent on it. So if I didn't call your name, only a few questions, so I didn't call half of the class, but some of you I did send messages to, because if you spent 6 minutes working, that was not enough, because this was your science and your math assignment for the day. So if you spent 6 minutes on it, or 10 minutes, or 12 minutes, or 14 minutes, it wasn't enough time. So I sent you a message that you need to spend more time on your work. So those are all our shout outs for today, so well done. I wanted to let you know I received an email from Dr. Maurer, and he's asking the teachers to go in and pack up all of the kids' stuff. So I'm going in next week to pack up your things, and everyone will get a bag, and we'll put all your stuff in the bag. Well, I'll put all your stuff in the bag, and then you'll find out when you can go pick up your things from school. So if you've been worried about a sweatshirt, or I don't think anyone's worried about their notebooks, but in case you're worried about your notebook or your sweatshirt, or I'm thinking that lunch boxes are probably still in the cubby, or more likely probably in front of the cubbies on the floor. So don't worry about your things. You're going to get all that stuff back. I'll make sure everything gets packed up nicely. We have 5 things going on today for your work, right? So grade 4 page has the next chapter and rules. 1 more week and we're finished with the book. ELA, you're going to be working, we're still working on journeys, lesson 14, it's day 2, and you're going to be doing the vocabulary strategies today. We're going to be learning about suffixes, which are parts, like endings to words. So today you're going to be doing the ending ABLE, IBLE, so able, ibble, and MENT. So there's 2 videos to watch, because one was for able and ibble and one was for MENT. And then you're going to do IXL language arts on suffixes. In math, you're going to be continuing 13-1. I made another video for you, and it was just kind of a continuation from yesterday. And remember, we're going slow, so we're doing 2 days per lesson, because I felt like overall everyone did really well on the decimal test, and I feel like it was because we just went really slow. Because we're in a unique situation, normally we do 1 lesson a day, but because we're home and I'm teaching you through video and we don't have that interaction between us, we're spending 2 days per lesson. So today is the other day. And as a reminder, on the second day, you still have the same assignment for IXL for math. So you can't be like, oh, I did it yesterday, I don't need to do it today. I won't name names, but there are some people who think that that's true. That's not true. So you have to redo those lessons today. That's why you're getting good at what new items that we're doing, what new lessons that you're doing, because we spend time going over it and going slowly. In order to go slowly, you need to do it twice. So the same lessons today as yesterday, and you do have to do them. So you're going to be watching my video and doing IXL. Science, you're going to be talking about learning about how rock layers form. We have a video, and then you'll be on IXL. So that's 3 subjects for IXL today. Language arts, math, science. Social studies, we're finishing the chapter, which is chapter 14, I believe, on immigration. And today you're going to be reading about immigrant and migrant workers today. Now remember, immigrant means you moved from a different country. So you might have come from Ireland or Costa Rica or Puerto Rico or some other country, and you've moved here to live here. A migrant worker means you've moved from a different part of the country for work in a new place, but you're staying in the same country. So immigrant and migrant workers. So we have a video and a quiz, like a short 4 or 5 question quiz. I think that's kind of all that we're doing for today. And I will see you. Hopefully you're all watching this before our Zoom meeting. I'll send out a reminder to hopefully everyone does that. And we'll see everyone at 10:30. And then, if you have an early start to the day, you get your work done and you'll have a great full afternoon ahead of you. Although I don't think the weather is supposed to be great today. Yesterday was really nice. In fact, I tried to make this video outside, except the lighting was just really bad. Remember how I always tell you not to sit in front of a window because it's just so bright behind you, you kind of lose what you look like? That's kind of how it was when I went outside. So I was disappointed because I really wanted to do videos outside when the weather got nice, so I'll try to find a better spot. But alrighty, so that's our daily morning message for today. I will see you all at 10:30. And until then, have a good day. Bye.